Alright guys, so the first thing we're going to do is set our oven to 350 degrees. Go ahead and preheat that. Here you see our ingredients. It's just almond flour, erythritol, vanilla extract, and butter. And then we got our 3 measuring cups. So we'll start with the butter, 3 tablespoons of butter. And we're going to put it in the microwave just to soften it up and make it easier to mix. First thing we're going to add is our almond flour. We're going to add a cup of almond flour. Then we're going to add a 1/4 cup of our Swerve powdered erythritol blend. A heaping 1/4 cup, I guess. And we're going to go ahead and give that a good stir just before I add the vanilla extract. I want to get everything kind of mixed together a little bit. And then we're going to add our vanilla extract. I didn't really measure it out. Maybe like, I don't know, half a teaspoon. Just, you know, wherever you want. It doesn't have to be vanilla extract, so it could be a lot of things. Then we're going to go ahead and grab our parchment paper and line some kind of baking sheet with parchment paper. And we're going to take our mixed up dough. This is what it's going to look like after you've kind of kneaded it. And then we're going to break that into little individual balls as evenly as we can. I got 8 out of this one. You could go bigger or smaller, get more or less. And then once we have all of those rolled out and set up, we're just going to take a fork and kind of smash them down to make that make it look just like a regular cookie. Give that visual cookie appeal. And so we're just going to do that, and there you go. And we're going to put these in the oven for 10 minutes, and then we'll check back. Alright, 10 minutes later, we're ready to go. Pull them out, let them cool off, and we're all done. These are delicious, easy, simple recipe, keto friendly. So if you guys like this stuff, please subscribe, like, share with your friends. And until next time, guys, thanks for watching.